Boy, technology, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up. Hey, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing, man. But if everything ain't going right for you right now, hey, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week. You could definitely be in a better situation, man. So chin up, keep trucking. All right, so as y'all see, man, we haven't dropped the car off yet. We don't got to get into all of that. I'm gonna just say, you know what I'm saying, like, if my car is gonna sit somewhere, it's gonna sit at my house. So I mean, whenever you get ready for it, you know, that's when we'll proceed. But I'm not gonna take my car to a busy shop. I'm not gonna do that. All right, so we're gonna get right into this, man. On this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all some tips, three ways that you can test your alternator. All right, let's get into it. Okay, one of the easiest ways to check, see if your alternator is bad, is to just remove the hot on the battery side. And y'all see that? Y'all see the car shut off, right? All right. The next way you can check it is with a voltmeter. Just put it on the volts. It should read over 12. Let me see if I can put that right there for you. And then what you would do is touch your alternator with your ground and then put it on your back side on that nut. And y'all see, if you can see, it's reading only 11 volts. It was only reading 11 volts. So, next thing we need to do is take this off and get it replaced. And another way you can check your alternator is to take it down to your local parts store. And most of them check them for free. I don't know about y'all areas, but they can run a diagnostic on it for you. There we go. Oh, we got our new alternator installed. Let's try to check it. All right, so you see we're getting over 12 volts. All right, man. Hey, might not be the proper way, but hopefully y'all learned something. I know there's a lot of information out there like that. I know it ain't. I'm not the only person that know this. I'm not the only person that put this information out there, but hopefully you learned something, man. Until next time, hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that notification bell. Until next time, man, salute, salute, salute.